Portia and Shelby are backstage. We'll bring them out shortly, but I want to get the story from you first. So, what is going on in your household?
My two daughters are arguing, fighting, disagreeing all the time. They're arguing, they're not getting along, they're disagreeing, they're pulling knives out on each other, they're cussing.
Is that a normal daily behavior where a 13-year-old and 22-year-old pull knives on each other?
Yes.
They literally take a knife out of the drawer and...
She pulls it out, but she doesn't let her see it. She pulls it like this, and she do like, she's holding it in her hands so she can see it, but she doesn't put it on her. Yes.
Who's the biggest instigator? Is it Portia or Shelby?
Shelby.
So Shelby's the 13-year-old?
Yes.
And Portia's the 22-year-old?
Yes, sir.
Wow.